I'm Anil Kumar, sharing with you a variety of questions on linear systems application. Here is question number 7. A school athletic association wants to hold an athletic banquet. It will cost them $150 to rent the hall, and the caterer will charge $6.50 per person for the food. If the charge per ticket to the banquet is to be $9, calculate the number of athletes who must attend in order for the school association to break even, right? So let's understand few terms here. One of them is break even, right? Now, what is break even point? Break even really means that, let me write down. Even means equal, right? Break even means cost is equals to revenue. That is what break even is, right? So that gives us two more terms, right? So we have to now find what is cost and what is revenue. So let's talk about that also. What is cost? So cost of an event is whatever you pay, right? And revenue is what you generate. Okay, let's read the question. A school athletic association wants to hold an athletic banquet. It will cost them, so that's the cost part. It is going to cost them $150 to rent, so that is fixed cost. And the caterer will charge $650 per person. So here, let me highlight this. It is per person, right? So per person. So, and we have to define a variable now, per person. So we should know how many persons. Is it okay? So we'll define a variable. We say let the number of persons be P. Okay, so we have defined this variable P persons. So when you say caterer will charge $6.50 per person, that means total cost will be 6.5 times P, right? So we get cost equation as, let's say cost C is equal to fixed cost of $150 plus 650 P. Do you see that? So that becomes the cost part. Now what is revenue? Let's look into revenue part. How do we generate money here? It says if the charge per ticket, so that tickets will generate revenue. If the charge per ticket to the banquet is to be $9, calculate number of athletes who must attend in order for the school association to break even. So cost per ticket is 9. So who buys the ticket? These persons, right? So the revenue, let's say R is equals to 9 times P. Right? If one person buys, you get $9 as revenue. If 2, 9 times 2. If 10, 9 times $10. So 9 times P for P persons. Do you see that? And we want to know persons so that we break even. That means cost equals to revenue. So we could get our equation, which is 150 plus 6.50p should be equals to 9p. Do you get an idea, right? So that's the equation for break even. Is it okay? So this is the equation which we need to solve. So total cost part is on the left side, 150 plus 650p, revenue of 9 times p on the right side. They should be equal, right? So let's solve them. So we'll take cost, we'll split 150 on the left, which is a constant, 9p minus 6.50p, 9 minus 6.50, let's do it. 9 minus 6.5 is 2.5. So we get 2.5p equals to 150. Divide by 2.5, we get number of persons, the value of p, right? So we get 250 divided by 2.5, that gives us 100. Let's do it again. So we get 250 divided by 2.5 equals to 100, right? So 100 persons will break even, right? That is what we get. So the answer here is number of persons minimum, right, is 100 for break even. Do you see that? You can always check your answer, right? So if I do 100 here, P100, I get 900. You see, 9 times 100. And here I get 150 plus 650, right? Times 100 moves decimal. And that is also 900. They are equal. So the answer is correct. Is it okay? So that is how you could actually do such questions. I'm Anil Kumar, and I hope that helps. Feel free to share my videos and ask questions. Thank you, and all the best.